Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and we're standing aboard the brand new Cruisers Yachts Cantius 50. We're going to take you through a quick walkthrough of this boat, show some of the beautiful features that are on this nice express motor yacht, and off we go. The first thing you notice is this massive expansive swim platform, full beam, goes down into the water with kaleidoscopic steps. Great for a little tender here on the back or jet ski. Perfect layout by Cruisers. You'll also notice the small summer kitchen option on the back. Additional storage right through this transom door here. Two-side companionway up to the main cockpit aft area. Great arrangement again by Cruisers Yachts. This Wisconsin-based manufacturer is absolutely incredible in just maximizing the amount of space. So U-shaped wraparound seating here, bar stools here, and then of course a remote control for your IPS pod drives on this boat in the transom. We can completely convert this boat as we step in through to the Salon by pushing down on a button here. This bar window goes down, a seamless transition from the main salon to the aft cockpit area. Relax, have a nice beverage, and chill out on this boat. Main AC vents here in the aft salon compartment. You also have here to the starboard side as well. Stackable fridge freezer. Great entertaining vessel. As we step to the forward salon area, again, a nice U-shaped wraparound dinette here in seating. You can also transition this to a berth. Airflow customizable, the port and starboard windows, along with the sunroof that opens here on the hardtop. Look at this visibility. You've just got absolute 360-degree viewpoint right here from the helm. Joystick piloting continues with the Volvo IPS drives here. Dual Garmin screens, and a great layout here by Cruisers. So if you have, from starboard side, single owner operator, just throw the fender overboard. Makes it really easy. Perfect layout for this size motor yacht. Take a step down to the cabins. So this is a 3-stateroom boat. To the starboard side, we have the bunk bed cabin layout. Great utilization of natural windows and space. Also perfect for storage. Take a walk to the VIP. Expansive VIP. You usually don't see this much space in an express. Natural ventilation and lighting here by Cruisers. You also have a hatch in the front you can use for ventilation as well. Great appointments of materials and textures by Cruisers too. Two ways to enter this VIP and ensuite. This is the shared head to that companion berth. Separated shower here, and again, great layout by Cruisers. Maximization of storage space, and your glass door that shuts here. Let's take a step to the master. "50-foot express, full beam master, massive storage closet right here. And then just tons of storage space. Again, great utilization of space by Cruisers. You have a stackable washer-dryer combo unit here. And then a his and her sconce and a his and her area of storage as well. Great hull side windows, natural ventilation. You're waking up right on the water. Take a step back up. As we head through the Salon, there's almost a seamless transition here from the main salon space to the aft cockpit. Almost zero threshold. You do have a water stop here. Just great design by Cruisers, making this a completely open day yacht layout. Take a step up the walkway to the bow. As I'm walking, I notice the size of the cleats, grab handles everywhere on this boat. Extremely easy, even when underway, to navigate my way to the front of the yacht. foot over foot walk in here all the way to the bow. Designed to be a sport yacht express, but also as a lounging vessel. So here we have the chaise lounges. This table goes down. You can fill the entire thing in to create a nice sunbed and day boat as well as a motor yacht. Zian Stevenson, this has been the video walkthrough of the 50 Cantius. For more information, check us out at MarineMax.com.